You begin with take double leaf and put it face up on top of your deck. Okay, so this is double, and you can use any double leaf. Okay, you just take double leaf and put it like this. Okay, after that you just tilt your deck, okay, until it's straight. Okay, just like a vertical position. Okay, just here and hold like this. After that, your right hand, okay, just put it in front of the cards. Okay, first you can open the fingers, okay, and after that just close, and you just put your buckle touch the card. Okay, in this position you just put like this. And to execute the color change, okay, when you open your fingers, okay, you just slide the front card, okay, here, and you just slide it at the same time you open your fingers. Okay, so like here, okay, you just close and put your buckle right here, and the action you open your fingers, you just slide, and this is what happened. Okay, so on the front, okay, remember first you just open your fingers. You want you can wave first, and you just close, okay, in front of your card. Okay, so here close. In the action you open, okay, you just slide and extend your fingers like this. So right now the front card, okay, in this position, okay, but this is covered with your hand like this. Okay, in this angle the front card is completely visible like this. So remember, wave, close, okay, remember, touch this card with your buckle, and then you just slide and open like this. This is happen automatically, okay, because when you slide, and the front card will slide back like this. Okay, here come like this. Okay, and to clean up, okay, because this is your position, you just curl your fingers, and this is what happened. The front card automatically slide back on the back, and you can put down the deck and take out the final card. So one more time, take double leaf, put it face up, okay, tilt your deck, okay, straight like this, open your fingers, okay, wave and close, okay, and just open, slide like this. Okay, a little bit down. Okay, one more time, here, close, just open. Okay, just open and curl everything and put it down to deck like this. Okay, so in normal speed. So here, remember, just close, touch, and just slide. Okay, just curl, and you just take out the final card, and this completely clean, and you can hand out this for examination.